In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your Discord Wrapped in 2025. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Discord Wrapped is a brand new thing that just got announced, and Discord's never done it before. But if you want to see who you spend the most time with, what servers you're most active in, things like that, this is how you do it. So if I go over to Instagram and I go to Discord, they have a thing that I just posted 1 hour ago saying your Discord recap is here. So you can see the number of messages you sent, top games played, friends you spent the most time with, favorite emojis, and a lot more. It says update your app to get started. So what I want to go ahead and do is go over to my app store. So I'm just going to type in app store like so, and then go to the top and then look for the Discord update. Now it's going to be rolling out slowly. So if you don't see it here straight away, it's going to be something that's rolling out, but just constantly look for if you need an update and then go to the Discord link where it says link in bio. So just go ahead and click on the first video, which is the checkpoint video, scroll down and it's going to say rolling out over the next few days. Discord checkpoint is the first time we're giving you a recap of the stuff you did on Discord throughout the year. It says to find your checkpoint, make sure you're on the latest version of the Discord app. Then on the desktop, look for the flag icon on the top right corner of your app. On mobile, head to the U tab at the bottom right and then tap the checkpoint banner. It says if you don't see a checkpoint, you may not have had enough activity on Discord to summarize your 2025, or you have toggled off use data to personalize my Discord experience. So what I want to go ahead and do is open up Discord and go over to my settings. So once you're in your profile, go to the settings on the top right. You're going to see a lot of different things in account settings. Go to data and privacy, and then you're going to see use data to personalize my Discord experience. Turn this on as soon as possible because you're not going to get your Discord wrapped if you don't have this on. And once you have it on, like I said, in a few days, just check for an update and then you're going to get all your data. So it shows you exactly what it's going to look like and everything. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Obviously, it's going to look slightly different on desktop compared to if you're on your phone. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.